Welcome. Today, we'll be diving into the world of Krnl Executor and how you can use it for Roblox on your iOS device. Let's get started. Krnl Executor V2.675 comes loaded with amazing features such as script injection, advanced debugging tools, and a user-friendly interface. Before we install, let's check the system requirements. Ensure your device is up to date with iOS and has enough storage space for the app. Now, let's walk through the installation steps. Follow closely as I guide you through downloading and installing Krnl Executor V2.675. It's crucial to download Krnl safely. Always use trusted sources to avoid malware. Check the description below for the link. Once you've installed it, let's set up your Krnl Executor for the first time. I'll guide you through the configuration process. Now for the fun part. Watch how we can inject scripts into Roblox to enhance our gameplay experience seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are some common troubleshooting tips to help you resolve installation or execution errors. Using Krnl Executor comes with risks. It's essential to be aware of safety precautions to protect your account and device. We hope you found this guide helpful. For further support, check the links in the description and stay updated.